Hey folks, it's Frithgar here, how you doing? Welcome back to Factorio. We've had a little break. Let's get back to building our million minions. Where are we going to put lubricant? I guess actually what we want to do is we want to start building some separate sections for lubricant and for processing, that sort of thing. So we get a demand for heavy oil barrels and light oil barrels and so on and so forth. So I've got all of these pipes coming down at the moment that work all the way through stuff. And I've got the limits on these, so I've got these very carefully limited so that nothing extra can come out. That's a lubricant setup there, which I'm actually going to get rid of. I don't want that one working at all, because I've got no limitations on that, and we're supposed to keep a minimum of 10,000 litres of heavy oil above these pumps on each section, so that that stays locked in. There's got to be a minimum of 10k on each of them, so that these will keep going. They've got a permanent supply of incoming heavy oil, and it's just, we're not actually using oil at all on this. This is a non-oil section in here. So I'll take that there, and remove that, and then I can remove that bit there, like that, and then I can remove those four, like that, and then I can remove those right there, like that. And that's a whole load of barrels that I've just picked up, 480 barrels to be exact. They will come, well, 400 I think. They'll come along and take those. So I've got nothing else that I need to worry about here. Petroleum is empty all the way down through. That's what's limiting it, is the light oil. The heavy oil isn't limiting anything either. Right, I look down here, and we've got some of that. It's light oil. I need more of that turning into petroleum. But then if I go all the way along and I look over here, 23,000. We've got plenty of petroleum coming in. Petroleum is not a problem. It is not an issue in the slightest. So what I want to do is I want to put some bottling plants in here. I'm going to take that one. I'm going to break that line there. Actually, well, I'm not going to break the line. I'm going to change it round slightly. And this is the big question: is how am I going to do this exactly so that I can maintain grid and sort of work within the whole grid system that I've got. So I don't want to put it up there. That's going to sort of mess with things that I've got, which means that I want the first one to come down here. This first one needs to move in here. So I kind of need to spread those pipes out a bit, do I? I think I do. Right, well... This is actually quite complicated, what I want to do. Well, I know what I want to achieve is I want to just be able to take lubricant out of this. Right, I want to steal a bit of lubricant out of this, and it probably wouldn't hurt to have the light oil working a bit faster, but I mean, that's not going to make a big amount of difference. I'm going to drop that in there. So I want to remove all of the pipes that are under here over to about where I am. I don't want any pipes under here where I am. So what we'll do to start with is we will go in here and we'll remove those pipes. They're going to go. And then I'm going to move my way down, removing all of the pipes all the way down. And that one. And then I've got a load of petroleum pipes running along the bottom. So I also need to be able to move those around as well, which I will do. We'll redirect those in a minute. So I've got some extra pipes down here that are redirected, and they will need to be redirected. They will need to be moved. So that lot there is going to have to be moved over. Now, what I've done up here is... that is all linked together. Right? That comes out over to there. But it does actually link together all in the same thing. So I don't need to have that bit up there. I can just have it running down into here, and it's still running on the same loop. The whole lot is joined above these pumps. So I can have it all coming out of one pipe. I chose not to have it out of one pipe. So I can do, though, is I can deconstruct, rip that lot out there. That can all come out, and take that line out there, like that. That can all come out as well, so that it that's going to reduce the amount that we're going to need. And then I can remove that pipe. That one there, and that one there. And then those pipes over there, plus those 2 cables. And that set of pipes there. Right. That's looking a bit neater in there. And then I've got that lot running down through there. Then all I need to do, that's already joined in. So it's only this top one that I've now got to join in down to here. That's easy enough. I can bring you onto there and put you onto there like that. And I can change that pipe for one of those. And then that one is coming out that way. I will do the same on here. I will go up like that and put you on there. And then that one is going to go out like that. And you are going to move. Actually, can that one go out a little bit further? Will that go out to that corner or not? It will. Right, that's good. That one can go out to there. And then you can go up there and join on there like that. And put that one on there. Right, so that's now joined in through. And that's joining down into here. I got 12k oil and that's full. And that one's got 1,100. It's coming down into here. You up here. You're now running again. That's slowly emptying out. That's the one that's taking the time to empty out, but it is running out. That one's running out as well. It's coming out over to here, and it's running into that tank, which is then running south. They're all running south there. Those are linked into this one as well. They're joined in together. That's all good. So you come down, and that one goes across into there. And then that one comes down over to here, and that joins in over this way. So now that's running in there, that's running in, and that's running. So those are all linked together underneath. And then that one goes over there into that one. You're not linked. This is what I didn't do, is I didn't link all of them in. So that one there, I need to link that one in. So we want to do the same as what I did over here, really. Let's do that then, shall we? We will bring that one over that way. So you're running down there. Yeah, that's fine. That one runs into there. That one's running separate. But, I mean, after the tank, it's fine. But I'll put that one in anyway. I'll put one in here. And I'll join that together. I'll put that one there like that. And then that goes there like that. I'll put that in. And then that goes to there like that. And then I go like this. Yep. And that one will do the same down to there. That's as much as I need to do on that one. So then you will go like that. Join in here. This is a dead one. That one's not doing anything. It doesn't need to be a dead one, actually. That one will come down from here. So you will do something similar. You're going to spread out further. You're going to go there. Actually, no, you're not. I'll get rid of that one. That oil there. I've already got it linked in there, so I don't need it to link over here. I just need that one to come in, and then that's linking everything together after this, after those pumps. As long as it stays clean and tidy on those pumps, that's absolutely fine. So that one can stay there and go across that way. I don't need the rest of them. Which means that bit... Oh no, that one doesn't need to stay. That one goes into there, so that can stay. That can go out there. That doesn't need. And you here don't need that one there. But I do need that bit. That one's got to come out. That one's got to stay, rather. So that one will go to there, and then you go like that. Yeah. Light oil is coming down here, and then it's spreading in between them. Light oil is coming down there. The heavy oil is coming here. That one can come up. That's going in through there. That's all looking pretty good. And then that light oil pipe, those two can be removed as well, along with that one. That's the light oil removed. And then I've got petroleum here. I've got spare petroleum running down. I've already got petroleum building up here. I've got heavy oil building up rapidly on here. Is it not being used? Why is that not being used? It should be being used. What's going on here? Heavy oil is suddenly being used up. Right, I've got that going in through there. It should be... Oh, hang on. It would help if I actually joined the heavy oil into all of the heavy oil outlets. Right. That's now working as it should. It's running a bit slow, though. This is the problem, is I don't think I've got enough pipe width to be able to cope with it all running through there. Right, it's running through as rapidly as it can, but I don't think I've got enough pipe width to be able to cope with all the liquid that's running through. It's fine, no. I know that we don't quite have everything that I want in there, but it will be okay. So, I've got petroleum is full on there. I do have light oil in there. I don't have light oil coming into this one. Why did I shut that one off? I don't really know, but I will add that one in there. So that will then work. That's coming through. You're coming into here. That's pretty much backed up on there. Okay. It's a little bit unnecessarily complex, I would think, all of stuff that I've got here, but it's working at the moment. So long as it's actually working, that's all that really matters. Yes, unnecessarily complex can look quite cool, but at the same time, it is also unnecessarily complex. So there is a downside to it. I'm going to do the same as I did just then. I'm going to put those in there like that, and then I'm going to put these in here like that, so it joins them together, and then I've got the 4 lines running up through. Yeah, it might help, it might not. Right, and then you can go as well, which means that I've now got room to put that one down there. Right, at last. Excellent. So I can put that one in, and I should have room to put another one up here if I get rid of that one, and I get rid of that one as well. There we go. I should have room for another one. Yes. Excellent. There. So I've now got room for 2 of those. That is fantastic. And drop them in there. They've got the power poles. They've gone and put those out all the way round already. And then we've got a load of roboports in here. Aaron Pendergrass, Charles Anders, Michael Smith, Devansh Mahajan, Adrian Mattany, Douglas Campbell, James Billy, Henry Ashworth, Windwalker, T-Bolt is someone else. Mako D, They Shizish, Cake, Edward Jasper, Real Hugh, Leon, Mystery Island Music, Ian U Gaming, Invent Gaming, and the Maltese Panda have made it in here so far. And with those over there, what I'm thinking next is I'll take some of these pipes and I'll actually pipe it in underneath so that I've got them going in here. I did say originally that I don't want to be piping anything in underneath the Roboport lines. However, I am going to be making exceptions to that because of this huge build that we've got over here. Eventually, I could go and change the way that I've got this huge build set up. It does depend how we progress with the challenge. Right? It does depend if it will help us get our million robots in the air or not. If it doesn't really make a big difference to getting the robots in the air, then it doesn't really matter. Right, let's put you over there. So there's a line of light oil coming in, and up here I'm going to put a line of heavy oil coming in as well. Like that. I don't need petroleum coming in at the moment because I've got that being bottled up elsewhere. So I'll put you there like that, and I'll put that one going in there. Right. So I've got those there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look down over this way. Right here, I've got petroleum being bottled up down here. I'm using some of it, but I'm not using a great deal of it. See, I'm picking up 8 barrels right there. That's being used to make the stuff over this way somewhere. Sulfur, I think it is. Is it making... It's not the sulfur. It's making the sulfur over here. That's what we've got it for, is making sulfur in there. This one here. Actually, this is working well now. Oh, red circuits. Red circuits are once again the shortage. How are we doing with everything? Iron gear wheels are back up. Concrete, I got loads spare. I'm just waiting on the robots to actually go and put it down. Ah, robots are busy working at the moment. I got almost 22,000 now for construction. Only 3,000 spare, so they've now decided to pick up and go off and do something. That's good. They're slowly figuring their way out as they get round the base. That's good. We'll let them just keep on doing whatever they're doing and not get too involved with any of it. We've got some numbers here of just about everything. Advanced circuits are way down. I suspect iron ore, iron plate, copper ores. That's the problems that and also electronic circuits. So, like, it's all the circuits and stuff. I've got shortages on all of them at the moment. So there's not really a lot I can do about that. We just kind of got to wait. We've got robots going along and collecting all of this. So I've got all of the ore here. And I've also got some down here. Look, we've got masses. All of this is being picked up as well. But I've got a shortage of roboports for this. I mean, it's still working. They are still getting across. But this swarm of them, you can see, there's queues queuing up on quite a lot of these in different places. It's getting better. As we extend this out, it's going to improve. It can only improve as we extend this out. Up this way, no landfill is being done on there, but that's why we've suddenly got all our robots out, is because they're now filling in the landfill up on this bit over here. And once they've gone through and done that, hopefully they'll catch up with some of the other landfill. They're getting there with the concrete, like these open areas here, where we've done most of it. I've got a whole load of concrete requests down here. That's not really going to make any difference. Right, what I want to do, though, was I want to go to... Where is it? That bit. That's the bit that I want right there. And I want to copy that right there. Right. Because this is going to be quite handy. I can put a double lot of this for light oil. Actually, I can do more than that. I can put quite a bit of these down. I can put that one there. And I can bring that one over there as well. That's... Right. You're in the wrong place. Nope. Paste. How far over do I want to go? I'll take it over that far. Right, and then that one can come out. And then I'll go to you, and I will change that recipe, and we're going to bottle up, fill light oil. Oh, great. I forgot about that. Right. I do just need to remove that line there. And that one. They're going to put down various bits of concrete up there. Fill light oil barrel. Yeah, they're going to put down a few bits of concrete around there, I'm hoping. And they will also go along and they will fill all of these with the 400 empty barrels each, which will be great. I'm just going to copy that lot in there. And then I'm going to put the pipe down again. This one that I've got. I'll take that over as far as there. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to copy that one. Oh, wait. No, there is one more thing that I was going to do. I'm going to put these in there like that. Oops. There. Right. Drop those in there like that, so that they will run a little bit faster when they're actually running. And then I'm going to go with copy. Once again, I'm going to copy all of that lot out there, and I'm going to go directly underneath. I'm not going to worry about putting beacons onto these. I'm going to leave it just as it is. So I'm going to do 2 lots there. And then I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to do 1 lot of those. I just want to make sure that I've got them in the right place. It's about 2 squares out from there. I'll bring that one down. And I'll put 1 there. I'll put 1 there. And I'll put 1 there. And then I've got room to put 1 more up there. Like that. Okay. They're all about the same length, the same size, the same distances across. That is going to be absolutely brilliant. The only mistake that I have made is down here. I didn't mean to do this. I need to get rid of that line there. And then that line there. And then that line there because I need to go back through and I need to change the recipe. So that one has got to be changed over to fill heavy oil barrel. Wait, what? Oh, they've got unlifted concrete up there. Didn't mean for them to do that. Alright, let me drop that one back down again, and they should, my robot should, go out and put that concrete back down again. I didn't mean to do that at all. I'm not supposed to lift the concrete out. I'm supposed to lift the pipes out. Right, that's better. Then I can go into here, and I can fill heavy oil barrel, like that. And then I'll right-click that one, and I can run across, except that they haven't turned up with all of them yet. I can at least put those in there, and I can put those in there. Ah, here we go. There's the rest of them coming in. If I just wait for those to come in a second, I will... Yeah, they're all in. I do that, and those there, and then those 3 there. Right, that's good. And then I will be able to take the pipe. There. Put that one in over that way, and then put you in over that way, and put you in over that way. Right. That's all of them gone in. That's looking pretty good down there. So all I need to do now is connect up the pipe out this way, which I'm going to do like this. I'm going to bring that out to there, and that out to there. I'll do the same with this one. It's going to run out like that. And then I will take these, and I will go, boom, like this. That one's going to go there. It's not going to do any more than that, because that one's going to go onto there. So that's going to start filling up there, and I've got light oil barrels going into there. And then I will go in here, and I will do much the same, and that is going to go there. It's going to go up there like that, and then I will add one in there, and I've got heavy oil barrels going into this one. Right. That should all work out quite nicely. The only thing I haven't got is that one. Well, it is sort of connected round. It goes round in a big loop, but I think what I will do, just to make sure that that's on correctly, is I will add that in there. The light oil, I've got 0 requests anywhere for light oil barrels at the moment, so those don't matter. What's important is the heavy oil barrels, because we're going to be using that over here. I'm then going to go on this side, and I'm going to take an assembling machine over in that corner like that, and that one is going to be emptying heavy oil barrels like that. That is going to go into some of these. That's going to go up like that. There. I'm going to do additional storage there. Oops. Let's get rid of that one. That one, and then that one over there. So there, I've got a few barrels like that, and then I will take a requester chest here. I'll take a push chest there. Turn them round, and let's drop a light in there, and we'll put that one in. So here I want to do that so that I'm requesting heavy oil barrels. I'm going to request 400 heavy oil barrels, and we've got a push chest for the empty ones over there, and that is going to run into there. So I've got a massive storage here. That will slowly fill up over time. It will fill that one up with with heavy oil, and that will be absolutely wonderful. We've got heavy oil working elsewhere. We've got petroleum working elsewhere. All of it is working quite nicely. I've got plastic bars over this side. I don't believe that I have got... No, I don't have a shortage of plastic at the moment. That's one thing that we really, really don't have. So I've got that lot there. Next up, we're going to go with a new one. We're going to run that one from about here, I think. And that is going to be making... It's got to be in here. Oh, I don't want those. That's the wrong item. Chemical plants. That's what we want. I'm going to be running that along there. That'll be sufficient, I should think. And then I will go into here, and that is going to be making lubricant. So I will... not control, I want to right-click there. Shift-click on that. I was pressing control-click and then wondering why it wasn't working. And that is going to be productivity modules in there. It's control-click to run the productivity modules over. That will do quite nicely here. I wonder if I should drop that down a little bit. I will. I'll bring that down a little bit because what I'm going to do in here is I'm going to put some beacons in as well. So if I take the beacons up there, you know what I'm actually thinking is these, we should do this differently. I'll turn that one round. There. That pipe can come off of there and it can go into there. I know that this is a horrible, horrible waste of heavy oil. It is a disgusting waste of heavy oil right there. I've just lost tens of thousands of litres of the stuff. But quite frankly, it'll be fine. Let's not worry too much about that. Minor detail. I drop that one down to there, and I got 2 left, and I put those up there like that. Right, there's 10 of them. Then I will go in here, and I'll take the beacons, and I will run a beacon right from that limit there. Actually, let's bring it down a bit. We can afford to have a little bit of space, and I'll bring that over there like that. Run you over to... I'll put the beacon over that far. And then let's not worry about putting everything in just yet. I need to go to the chemical plants. So the chemical plant needs to go that way round. And down by 1. And then run along like that. There, I've now run out of chemical plants. Except that's fine. Put that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's move these over a bit, shall we? Grab those. Like that. There. Put them there. I think we'll do it like that. And then, yeah, because I've got an idea for how I want to make this work. So I've got plenty of spare heavy oil up there for when I want it. And the rest of it should work as well. So I'll right-click and copy that along there. And then I will go in here and drop those in like that. And then I can take a pipe along here. So that one will run over that way. And I'll put one in underneath like that. Now I need some power. And that's going to be more of an issue. Well, not too much of an issue. So I can put that power along there. And keep that going along there, and then I can put you into there like that, and then I'll simply put this power along underneath like that. I want to move that one. Actually, that one is not in line with the top, is it? Yeah, that's fine. It doesn't have to be in line with everything. This is I do get... Well, folks, Rome wasn't built in a day, and 1 million minions are not going to be built in a single episode. We've run out of time, so if you've enjoyed the episode, then please head down below and give us a like, and if you really enjoyed it, then please tell your friends all about me, get them to come and watch as well. That would be awesome. And until next time, thank you very much for watching. This is Frithgar. Goodbye, and see you later.